development of students and make a real impact in their life, our AB School is taking various initiatives. Today's event is one of such an example wherein we will be receiving knowledge and worldly wisdom from a wonderful human being in a very different setup. We have with a scholar, a chartered accountant, an entrepreneur, an avid reader, a yoga enthusiast, much more. Please help me welcome CA Manish Kagatra sir, coming from a very humble background. Manish sir has been a very bright and hard-working student. He stood district first in HSC exams, gold medalist in graduation and cleared CA at first attempt. He started his career as a CA in a corporate world in 2006. He has experience of working in various sectors of economy like banking, petrochem, capital goods, metal and energy. He has worked with MNCs like Reliance Industries Petrochem Division, Jamnagar, HSBC Bank, Sunflag Iron and Susan Energy to name a few. Mr. Manish wears many hats. The entrepreneurial journey of Manish Kagatra began in 2013 and as a result his brand shared AKMP Associates, a CA firm was born. AKMP Associates has office across the land and breadth of Gujarat, Maharashtra and Karnataka. He is the founder of management consultancy firm Startworks Solution Private Limited. He is also the founder of skill development firm Skillbase India Private Limited. He is the director at Nitika Pharma. And last but not the least, he is a strategic investor at the Simpola Science and IT Akas and IT firm. Please have a big round of applause for Manish sir. I am very proud to host such a magnanimous personality at our school. On behalf of all of us, I request Kopi sir to felicitate Manish sir with the token of love and appreciation. Thank you.
Getting normal photographs. To present token of memento to them. अच्छा पढ़ाई करो सॉरी रीडिंग करो thank you right so as say session માં question answer થી આપણે સ્ટાર્ટ કરશું so you also can ask questions we start sir we start कर दिए questions
in between like if anyone has some question in between also one should not hesitate to pose those questions. Please be open in terms of sharing your views and let's have maximum exchange so that you get the maximum from 1 hour interaction. You should get the maximum, right?
How do I?
Yeah.
Right. So Manish bhai, हमने એવું કોને કે આટલી બધી હેડ કીધે કરો. He is director at several firms, founder of 2-3 firms. Strategic investor means who brings capital and more importantly who brings ideas for development to several firms. So how do you juggle that?
So see, you as you rightly said, see everybody of you will understand English or should I speak in Hindi? What language will be more preferable?
English.
समझ पड़े भैया?
Let's adopt English, okay? Not English also, not Hindi also. Fine. So, see, there are so many roles, okay? There are so many responsibilities. Say, at some point of time, when I am working for AKMK, I would be advising somebody on making their taxis more compliant. When I am working for, say, State Works, I may be advising some company to grow faster, okay, some company to scale up, some management level rebuild. Okay, when I work for, say, skill based, I will be thinking of a people like, say, who are just doing 11th or 12th commerce, or just graduated from the commerce, okay, or say maybe they have just passed chartered accountancy, or somebody like CMA or CS like that, MBA. So then I will be thinking which kind of skills they may require when I am working for skill development. When I am working as a strategic investor, I may think like what ideas or what strategies would bring the needed changes for a company, making company more resilient, making company more growth oriented. So there are so many roles, okay, and the thought process and everything keeps changing from role to role. So like, see, what is my thought process at each and every role? I have a very clear mission which I have established for myself. Whatever I do should ultimately lead to achieving that particular vision. Okay, these are the ways to make that achieve possible, make that mission achieving possible. These are the ways. Okay, all these are the ways. Okay, but the mission is one very single mission: to build a team size of 1,000 people by 2025, to create 1,000 job opportunities. That is the mission which I have adopted, and all of our companies are adopted. So all of them are working on that particular single, and these are all the ways to do that. Okay, and I don't want any ways left which can be explored. Okay, I don't want any unexplored ways. I would like to explore each and every possible ways to achieve this particular mission by 2025. So that keeps me very much focused all the time. The roles could be different, the ways could be different, and the mission is very much single. So that is the way actually I look at these things.
Right. So what I understood is, and why I asked this is, as a student, they study like 5 to 6 subjects. Academic is one part. Apart from that, they have to groom themselves, personality development, communication skill and all that. तो अलग-अलग एक सब्जेक्ट में दूसरा सब्जेक्ट में स्विच ओवर था, priority will change. So maybe what is takeaway from Manish is, once you decide your mission, your goal, your dream, then bifurcate that into responsibilities. So this is what I have to do for achieving this goal. This is what I can do to be successful at this particular task. So a person can actually, अपने को feel है how can a person do so many tasks at once? But as Sir shared, he has a mission of giving employment to more than 1,000 people. Right? For that, he has invested his time, energy, intellectual in various segments, we can say, or various parts, we can say. So, Samir it's basically he's from Navsari. Okay? So, I'm going to introduction. He's from Navsari only.
And I am neighbor to Jolly.
Okay. So, one of the students.
Yeah, so that will be more like, friendly to all of you basically.
Right, Lapla Manach, not alien. Made in India. Okay, Atmanirbhar Bharat product. Anyway, so CA તમે જ્યારે કરતા હતા અથવા એના પહેલા when he was in 11th and 12th, because જ્યારે આપણે સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યું અમારું પહેલું વર્ષ છે in commerce, but with a goal કે commerce a preferred stream થાય નવસારીમાં પણ, not like કે percentage નથી આવ્યા અને commerce લેવું છે. We have many students કે જે even grades હતા 10th માં, but still they are in commerce. So I would like કે તમારું જે થોડીક if you can share light on your journey 12th થી 11th થી up to CA, એ કેવી રીતે વિચાર્યું મારે CA થવું છે, ગુજરાતીમાંથી આવેલા હતા and studying things in English, difficulties.
So let me say one more incident just before 12 also.
Sure.
I was a good student in like 10th. Like in terms of academics and all, I scored good marks. Okay, so for example, 10th I scored 100 out of 100 in mathematics. So, like, just like every parent, okay, my parents also want me to do science stream. Okay, आप लोगों को भी सभी को कोर्स आता ही रहेगा कि साइंस क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो आप ऐसा? Okay, why not science and why not have some career in science? So that was the course. I started, okay, those days there were so many coaching classes, okay, like physics में यहाँ जाओ, chemistry में यहाँ जाओ, mathematics में यहाँ जाओ, then biology में यहाँ जाओ. So I joined 11th science. The academic was not started. Then 1 month coaching classes and all, everywhere I paid the fees and all. I started attending the coaching class. At that point of time, there were so many coaching classes. So like from morning 5:30 it starts, and then no, after that one another second like that चलता रहता है coaching class पूरा. तो एक महीना coaching class किया तो I was feeling complete absence of practical connect. Okay, when I was studying science, I couldn't correlate those things directly with the practical world. And that was a turning point. Okay, I was not getting into the science. I was just scratching the surface. Okay, and that was not acceptable to me. So like the merit list and all were prepared. Okay, but then parents को लगता था कि साइंस में ही जाना चाहिए. तो मैंने क्या किया, वो मेरिट लिस्ट जो है ना बाहर निकाला, संस्कार भारती में था, तो मेरिट लिस्ट बाहर निकाला. मैंने पेरेंट्स को घर पे बताया कि मेरा मेरिट लिस्ट में साइंस में नाम ही नहीं आया, कि मुझे एडमिशन नहीं मिला है. तो अभी क्या है, उस टाइम पे इतना वो लोग नहीं सोचते थे. ठीक है चलो नहीं मिला तो ठीक है, चलो कॉमर्स कर लो. ठीक है, तो मुझे जो चाहिए था वो मिल गया. सभी मेरे साइंस की कोचिंग क्लास सब बंद कर दिया, कॉमर्स में चला गया और कोई कोचिंग क्लास नहीं, कुछ नहीं. अच्छा, so like see, this was a change, okay, turning point. So what actually I realized, okay, I realized like no, one has to take the responsibility of oneself. That's very important. Okay, I took a stand. If I wouldn't have taken that responsibility, then that stand or that decision would not have by Mari. Like he heard about me. I was there in Sanskar Party, and then he heard about me. So like he was just thinking, let me actually bring him to my coaching class and all. So he just called me one day and then said, okay, your 12th is already started and all, so why don't you attend some coaching class? You will have some edge rather not attend. So like see, the economic hardship and the limited resources at that point of time was not actually allowing me to do that kind of things. So I was saying that okay, अभी मेरा इतना पोजीशन नहीं है कि मैं इस हिसाब से कोचिंग क्लास अटेंड कर सकता हूँ. I couldn't. That was the like fee structure was basically 800 rupees per year, 800 रुपया वर्ष का. But then that was also out of the affordable range. So I told him, and then he said, okay, let us do one thing. Fees का आप टेंशन मत लो, आप कोचिंग क्लासेस ज्वाइन कर लो. But then I joined. Okay, ठीक है, चलो देख लेते. He has lot of confidence on me. अभी कितना स्पेस रहेगा मालूम है? ये जो है ना, यहाँ इतना स्पेस रहेगा. Okay, this side. So all the people like जो है ना वो यहाँ से मतलब बोर्ड स्टार्ट होता है यहाँ से. तो फिर उन्होंने मुझे आके यहाँ पे बिठा दिया. तो वैसा करके उन्होंने मेरे को जबरदस्ती ये कर दिया. ठीक है, अच्छा है. Then that actually again like brings lot of responsibility on me in terms of giving the performance, in terms of delivering the things. So I put lot of hard work, and then I stood first at the district, Navsari district. Again I like scored 100 out of 100 in mathematics. So mathematics was my favorite subject all the time. Even though like I opted for commerce, I like mathematics so much. So then then again like one more turning point. I after 12th I was very much attracted to the bigger brands and all. Okay, so like MS University, उसमें मतलब that was a very big name, okay, at that point of time. So I got admission in MS University. So then I एक दो महीना वहाँ पे स्टडी किया, तो I was not feeling again like connection and all was missing. Lot of coaching class happens, but then you don't attend the college, okay, then you miss the real part of the college. So again like I thought of changing something. So MS यूनिवर्सिटी में 2 महीना स्टडी किया, सब ये शुरू कर दिया था. फिर मैंने पापा को कॉल किया कि दिस इज़ नॉट वर्किंग आउट, ओके, अभी मुझे यहाँ पे सेट नहीं हो रहा. हम लोग गए फिर विद्यानगर. तो विद्यानगर वॉज कम्प्लीटली न्यू. અહીંયા એક જયંતિભાઈ ટંડેલ હતા, એક પહેલાં મને આઈડિયા હતો, પેલા જાનભાઈને આઈડિયા હશે. જયંતિભાઈ ટંડેલ જે અકાઉન્ટિંગના પ્રોફેસર, એમના બ્રધર છે, એ હતા ત્યાં વિદ્યાનગરમાં પ્રોફેસર કોલેજમાં. એમની સાથે કોઈ આપણે કંઈ એનું કનેક્શન નથી, ખાલી એનું નામ ખબર હતી. તો હું જસ્ટ કોલેજમાં ગયો અને કોલેજના એડમિશન તો બધા બંધ થઈ ગયા, કોલેજ શરૂ થઈ ગઈ, 2 મહિના થઈ ગયા. સો કોલેજના જે કોલોની હોય, જે પ્રોફેસર્સની કોલોની હોય, દેન આઈ વેન્ટ ધેર. તો એમનું ટંડેલ સાહેબનું ઘર અમે લોકોએ શોધી કાઢ્યું, અને ટંડેલ સાહેબ પહેલી જ વખત ત્યાં જઈને જ એમને મળ્યા. टंडन साहब लाइक ही वाज टेलिंग मी कि अभी तो सब फुल हो गया एडमिशन, तो अभी क्या करेंगे, आपका मार्कशीट दिखाओ. तो ऐसा मैंने उनको मार्कशीट तो बहुत ही अच्छा है, उनको बहुत अच्छा लगा. उन्होंने आपका एडमिशन कराया था. सो like this, then again like I have to deliver something, okay, because like he is going out of the way and then making me admitted in the college and all, okay. So that was again a turning point. I shifted from Baroda to Vallabh Vidyanagar, and there was small hostel and all. Okay, so I got admission in that hostel. So there are a lot of turning points. Okay, like even during the graduation. So day one of the college, first day of the college. Okay, the college has already started, but then I got admission at a later point of time. So like the professor of economics, I am just saying one more incident, okay, which may be very interesting for you also. So like see, I 11th and 12th, okay, I did in Gujarati medium. So like there was so much attraction for the English medium and all, okay, at that point of time. So like professor and all were very much having the fancy about like people from central board and people from English medium and all, okay. So like one professor of economics was asking like everybody's score, what was your score in economics in 12th standard. Like everybody was telling, I also told my score. Okay, that was very big score and highest in the like Gujarat state. I scored highest in the economics. So okay, good. Then like after some time he asked me a question. Okay, what is the spelling of savings?
Savings is filling.
Okay, that question he asked, and then I was just taken aback. Okay, I told the spelling SAVINGS. I told that spelling, but then the entire class was laughing at me. Okay, I was just taken aback. Why these people are laughing? Okay, I told the spelling also correctly. Okay, nothing wrong. But like, see, there was a kind of an insult. Okay, in that question, because the way why he can ask me such a basic question. Okay, so that was like he was expecting, okay, this boy will be wrong in answering this question, and that was the like point of laughing for the entire class. Then I realized after some point of time, okay, why people are laughing. Professor ने बोला बेटा कुछ correct है wrong है ऐसा कुछ बोला नहीं बेटा. After some time I realized that this was the point. So then I see like another incident, like one professor asked me to write the name of the subject on the board. Okay, the subject, okay, which subject you are studying? I said this subject, okay. So write the name on the board. Okay. I couldn't write the name of the subject correctly on the board. Okay, and there was a mistake in the spelling. It was like advanced accounting and auditing paper 2, like that was the subject name. So advanced, okay, I missed D missed, I missed that alphabet. Okay, A D V A and C E D. So again, like he asked me a question. Okay, if you can't write the name of the subject correctly, for what you are coming here? Okay, that was the question to me, straight to me, and then to the entire class also. Like anybody can put a correct spelling on the board, and nobody was ready to do it. At least I have put some daring and I have write the subject name, even though it was wrong. So, but then the entire class was taken like, okay, like nobody can write the name of the subject also correctly. What is happening? Okay, but then it went straight to my heart. Okay, it was very painful. Okay, I couldn't sleep for so many days. Then what should I do? Okay, how to tackle this kind of things? Okay, so insult. Okay, but like I think that was a good the best confrontation of my life. I feel that was a very a spark. Okay, that spark has led to a very big fire. Okay, I considered it, and then I thought the only answer to this confrontation, only answer to this insult would be like breaking all the records. Okay, and then I put my all hard work. Okay, in terms of studying, in terms of anything like doing the research in the subject, going out of the way in terms of like getting into the subject. Say for example economics. Okay, even people will just confine themselves to the textbooks. जो 300-200 पेजेस का जो textbook रहेगा वही पढ़ेंगे. So I went to couple of steps ahead of that. जो reference book रहते हैं जो 2-3 हज़ार पेजेस के रहते हैं वो भी मैं पढ़ लेता था. उस पे जाके और डीप में जाता और अंदर रिसर्च करता था. So then like see the turning points were like at some point of time professors were so much impressed with the learning side of the code. They were asking me to sort out the problems, okay, on the board and all. 7 gold medals, and like when I was receiving the gold medals, so like the guest, okay, he was just asking to the girls who were bringing the medals in a tray, okay, ये सब इनके ही medals है क्या? Okay, and that was the answer to all those insults actually, which has happened so far. Okay, and then all the records previous to my batch, I have set the new records in terms of the score, in terms of gold, securing the gold medals and all. So that was the way. Okay. So then, yeah, so many things are connected. I am just saying the few which I can recollect.
If I can just interrupt.
Yeah, please.
There were 2 possibilities. So let's say being from Gujarati medium background, when someone is going to higher institutes, professor out there or students out there will have certain mindset. And like you were asked to write correct spelling of subject name, and it was humiliation at that time. So there were 2 possibilities now. Either he could confront, like misbehaving or going into, depression and all those things. Either he can confront his teachers, his professors, or he can humiliate them, or he can do some mischief, or he can go in depression, or he can prove his mind. So he chooses that. So this is the learning that we have to take. There will be time when society will be putting you under the feet. There will be time when your ego might get hurt, and then there are choices. So we all have choices, and you are ultimately defined by what choice you make. So if you choose to get depressed, if you choose to make mistakes, to be mischievous, if you choose not to improve yourself, or whether you choose, like Sir said, to break all the records. So it's up to us. So eventually we are the algebraic summation of all the choices that we make in our life. That's what I understood. And hope many of you can actually see same thing, maybe something may resonate as you hear the experience that sir is sharing with us. અને સરે કીધું કે તમારામાંથી પણ કોઈ ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછવા હોય તો ઓપન ઓનલી. ઓકે
Yes, yes.
રાઈટ. પછી સીએ નું જર્ની.
Yes, yes. So, like, see, I was not having that kind of clarity in terms of vision. I would like to go for chartered accountancy only, or maybe I can do MBA. I was just not clear about those things while doing the graduate study. So, at that point of time, there was a qualification called CFA, Chartered Financial Analyst. That is being done in the Hyderabad ICFI Institute there. So that was actually in terms of content and all बहुत ही अच्छा course था. So I started doing that, and then during the graduation only I started doing it. So there was a basically clash between ICFI and ICAI. Okay, ICAI is chartered accountant body, and CFA is chartered financial analyst. So there was a clash between these two. ICAI took a stand saying that any other people in the India cannot use the word chartered. So उन्होंने केस कर दिया ICAI के इंस्टीट्यूट के ऊपर, CA इंस्टीट्यूट ने. So at some point of time वो CA इंस्टीट्यूट ने केस जीत लिया, और ICAI को वो वर्ड जो है ना चार्टर्ड वर्ड उसको ड्रॉप करना पड़ा. I thought, okay, let us not be a member of this kind of institute. वो केस हार गया, तो फिर मैंने सोचा कि अभी अपना भी चेंज कर लेते हैं जो स्टैंड है ना वो. फिर मैंने CA को छोड़ दिया वहाँ पे, और फिर मैंने CA को ज्वाइन कर दिया आफ्टर ग्रेजुएट. So I started pursuing chartered accountancy after completing my graduation. Yeah, so like I choose actually Mumbai for my chartered accountancy, and that was a very good decision. Okay, I would like to suggest all of you that at some point of time you should be out of your family. You should be out of your native place. You should be choosing such a happening place, okay, like Mumbai or Bangalore, okay, Hyderabad. Okay, these are the places. Pune, okay, Bombay, Hyderabad, Bangalore. These are the good places. So you should come out of your comfort zone. Okay, that's very important. So उस टाइम पे एक इंसिडेंट है. मैंने बॉम्बे को कभी विजिट नहीं किया था. अच्छा, आप लोगों ने सभी लोगों ने बॉम्बे देखा हुआ है? सभी लोगों ने बॉम्बे में विजिट करके आए? अच्छा, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छी. उस टाइम पे मेरे लिए बॉम्बे का विजिट जो था ना वो फर्स्ट टाइम थी. So वहाँ पे एडमिशन के लिए फॉर्म वहाँ पे उस टाइम पे आपको जाके पर्सनली फिलअप करना है. ऐसा था. बॉम्बे में कोलाबा में इंस्टीट्यूट का हेडक्वार्टर था, वेस्टर्न रीजनल का. तो उस टाइम पे वो बहुत पहुँचना जरूरी हो. बिफोर दैट ओके. तो बहुत बारिश हो रहा था, एंड माय फादर एक्चुअली केम टू ड्रॉप मी ऑन द हाईवे. इतना बारिश हो रहा था तो वो मुझे बता रहे थे कि आप अभी मत जाओ, मतलब लेट अस वेट फॉर सम मोर डेज. तो अभी सब सेटिंग किया था उधर, किसी रिलेटिव्स के उधर जाके रुकना है. अच्छा, वो रिलेटिव को मैं मिला नहीं था, फर्स्ट टाइम मिल रहा था दैट टाइम. तो उनके उधर जाके रुकना है. अभी बॉम्बे में क्या है, जगह मिलना बहुत डिफिकल्ट है ना. तो रात को अच्छा, मेरे को यहाँ से रात को 8 बजे बैठा है, और वो जो तूफान गाड़ी रहता है ना उस टाइप का व्हीकल था. तो बहुत ज़्यादा रेन करके हम ये जो मीरा रोड है, मीरा रोड को हाईवे टच होता है, वहाँ पे रात को 2 बजे में बॉम्बे में उतरा फर्स्ट टाइम. बॉम्बे को मैंने देखा नहीं था. रात को 2 बजे में वहाँ पे ड्रॉप हुआ. उसने मेरे को ड्रॉप कर दिया. He was carrying a bag and some clothes and some money, you know. तो अभी वहाँ से मैंने ऑटो पकड़ा. ऑटो वाले को बोला कि ये जगह जाना है और वहाँ पे कुछ. तो दैट वाज अगेन लाइक उस टाइम पे ऐसा लगा कि lot of fights in your life, you should be you should not be expecting any support, okay, from anyone. Rather you should learn to fight on your own. Okay, so that was a fight. Okay, बॉम्बे में पहली बार जा रहा हूँ, पता नहीं है वहाँ पे कौन से रिलेटिव है, कौन लोग है. इतने बजे पहुंचूंगा, इतना बारिश हो रहा है, अभी रिलेटिव के उधर मतलब जिसको मैं पहली बार मिल रहा हूँ उसके उधर घर पे जाके मैं क्या करूँगा, कुछ पता नहीं मुझे, कैसे बात करूँगा। पर अभी तो बॉम्बे एक्चुअली देखा ही नहीं था मैंने, तो पहली बार देखा था बॉम्बे भी। सो ऐसा मुझे समझ में आया कि लॉट ऑफ फाइट्स इन योर लाइफ यू हैव टू फाइट अलोन आल्सो, ओके, नॉट बी सो मच ऑफ create so much dependency on your parents and so बहुत मतलब उस टाइम पे भी ऐसा मतलब there was so much of hardship, okay, like in terms of mainly in terms of the money, उतने लेवल का है कि समझो आप like if you want to eat an ice cream, okay, you have to think 10 times, okay, that was the kind of hardship I was facing। अगर आपको अच्छा लंच या अच्छा डिनर है वो तो मतलब दैट वाज अ डिस्टेंट मैटर, बट देन लाइक अगर आपको आइसक्रीम भी खाना है ना तो देन आल्सो यू थिंक 10 टाइम्स, ओके। सो बट दैट वाज एक्चुअली लाइक सी द वे you are transformed, the way you are in that journey, okay, the way you enjoy your journey, that is very very important, okay। So much of hardship, but then like we were enjoying a lot, okay, I personally enjoyed that journey a lot, okay, even today I miss those days, okay। So then actually yeah, so these are the things, okay, these are the things make a person, okay। आपके मतलब बहुत सारा फैसिलिटीज, बहुत सारा पैसा पर्सन को नहीं बनाता है, बहुत सारे रिसोर्स डू नॉट क्रिएट पीपल। This kind of hardship, this kind of struggle transforms a person to a new person, and I am really thankful to God for those kind of days, otherwise I would not have valued so much। Even today I consider my wealth, I am a trustee of my wealth, okay, I am not the owner of my wealth। I should not be wasting the resources lavishly, okay, I should rather be utilizing those resources in a most conservative way। I am not the owner of my wealth, okay, whatever I am earning, okay, I am not owner of that my wealth, I am a trustee of this wealth। So then yeah, so see like if you are in such a stage, okay, if you are passing through such a phase of your life, okay, you do not have any choice, okay, rather you should focus on the things, okay, lesser sharp focus, that I had that mindset, okay, whatever I do I will just focus on that, okay, nobody can deviate me। So that was the things actually like pushed me to clear all my chartered accountancy exams in first attempt, and CA intermediate, and then CA final, and all. I could clear on all of the first attempt. No coaching classes I have attended, because like I have to earn also, okay, if I start attending coaching class I cannot earn, because like the timings and all will always clash with the internship। So I did a very aggressive and like very aggressive internship। During internship, like there are so many incidents happening, okay, I can say at some point of time, but then that was a very kind of an intense training। I used to be there from 9 o'clock to night 9 o'clock, okay, and then you do not have time to study। So then when I started studying, okay, I used to study 300-400 pages in a day, okay, and I used to complete those kind of सब्जेक्ट। फाइनल सब्जेक्ट फाइनल का अगर हम बात करते हैं सीए फाइनल एग्जाम, तो मैंने काफ़ी सारे सब्जेक्ट को स्टडी कर दिया, जैसे अकाउंटिंग है तो उसको भी स्टडी कर दिया, उसको एक जो फुलस्केप बुक रहता है 200 पेजेस का रहता है फुलस्केप बुक, ओके, सीए फाइनल के अंदर वो मेरा एक बुक भी जो है ना वो राइट नहीं किया है। lot of people get surprised, okay, so but then that was the like that was my method, okay, that was my way of doing the things। So then even then I got the exam cleared in first। So yeah, so like there are no choice. Okay, there are no options. You have to you cannot afford to be having a second attempt. That was the things during my chartered accountancy.
Right. So, 2 or 3 points maybe we can take home. One is this, sir said that you should come out of your comfort zone. Okay, never choose path of least resistance. That's what I would understand. Never choose a path of least resistance. You have to come out from your comfort zone. So, from a small town boy, sometimes we feel like,
Just one question to them. Okay, so uh, do not take it otherwise, but just one question. Everybody should answer this question. Out of you, how many people are having the homes which are say less than 2 BHK, 2 bedroom hall kitchen?
2 BHK થી નાનું બેનું ઘર હોય,
હા, એવું કેટલા લોકોનું છે? Okay, fine. So, what's your good name? Krisa, you are like me. Okay, I can correlate myself with you. So we were 5 family members, and we all 5 members were living in 15 by 15 square foot room.
I know that.
15 by 15 square foot room હોય ને, maybe like 1/4 of this space. Okay, 5 લોકો અને 15 by 15 square foot ના room છે. So I did my up to 12th study I completed from that room only. Okay, there is a TV, there is a bathroom, there is a kitchen inside, there is a bed inside. Okay, there are people coming, going and out. Okay.
તમારા ક્લાસરૂમ કરતા અડધી સાઈઝ.
अच्छा, ऊपर से ये रूफ છે. Okay, and then in summer and all, it's very heated. इतना गर्म हो जाता है कि वो ये हो जाएगा, मतलब कुछ कंसंट्रेशन पढ़ाई नहीं होगा. So we all 5 were there in that particular room. Okay, so many years we passed like that.
Just to tell you, સરના નાના ભાઈ છે પણ સીએ છે. Right, so hardship ne we should not be considering like excuse.
Yeah, exactly.
It should be taken as opportunity. તમને પહેલેથી તપાવીને ભગવાન જ ગોલ્ડમાં કન્વર્ટ કરવા માંગે છે. You can think like that. And teachers, if they can.
Sir, actually one question. I was listening to your struggle stories. You can speak it. But now you see you have achieved success. Alright, so what is that one thing that inspires you even today? That I am able to, I listen that you are associated with multiple places, handling all those things. But what is that one thing that inspires you even today after getting or achieving that success? During the time of struggle, you are having many inspirational sources, but now, at present,
So like see, I have never thought of achieving some money or achieving some wealth in my life. Okay. મારે આટલા પૈસા થવું છે કે આટલા મારે મની કમાવા છે. Okay, that actually I have never thought of. That was really a good thing, and even today I am considering myself a very fortunate person, not going into that direction. So, keeping the money part aside, okay, that is not the inspiration for me at all. कभी भी पैसे से मतलब मुझे ज़्यादा कभी इंस्पिरेशन ऐसा मिला नहीं है. So, कभी उसको मैंने टारगेट पे भी नहीं रखा. So like see, what I think, okay, there should be a purpose. हम लोग कुछ भी काम करते हैं ना, अगर लाइक समझो यहाँ पे मैं आया हूँ या मैं कुछ काम कर रहा हूँ, मैं कुछ स्टडी कर रहा हूँ, there should be a purpose, and that purpose should not be an economic outcome. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि ये मेरा पर्पस है 1 करोड़ कमाने का पर्पस है मेरा. Okay, वैसा नहीं होना चाहिए. The purpose should be a cause. Okay, a cause which basically helps people, a cause which basically enables someone. Okay, that is very important thing. So purpose आपके दिमाग में होना चाहिए, and that actually inspires. Okay, that see like motivation, okay, and inspiration. Motivation and inspiration. Like what is the difference between these two? Anybody can just tell? Motivation અને inspiration આ બંનેમાં શું ડિફરન્સ છે? જે હોય તે બોલી દેવાનું.
તમને જે લાગતું હોય મોટિવેશન એટલે શું ને ઇન્સ્પિરેશન એટલે શું? We don't require the Webster dictionary definition.
Yes.
We just need your take on it.
Right.
કે મોટિવેશન એટલે તમે શું સમજો અને ઇન્સ્પિરેશન એટલે તમે શું સમજો?
ઇન્સ્પિરેશન એટલે કે કોઈને જોઈને તમને જોઈએ કે ઇમેજિન ઇન્સ્પિરેશન પ્લાનિંગ છે અને મોટિવેશન એટલે કે કોઈને સમજીને
Okay. So like say, let me explain you. And why it is very important for you people to know this. Okay. Motivation એટલે આપણે રોજ નાહીએ ને, બધા રોજ નાહીને આવો છો, બધા આવતીકાલે પાછા બધા નાવાના છો, તો એ મોટિવેશન છે. હવે આજે તમને મોટિવેશન મળ્યું તો પાછું કાલે કરી દીધું એ મોટિવેશન, પરમ દિવસે પાછું જોઈએ, એ છે ને એ મોટિવેશન છે. Inspiration એટલે છે ને you have to find your inspiration, say maybe it's a lifetime, okay, or maybe like at least 5-6 વર્ષ તો એ ચાલે, ફરીથી નાવું નહીં પડે. So like the inspiration is very important. Okay, motivation is of course important, but then inspiration is the most important thing in your life. What inspires you? Okay, that is very important thing. So the purpose inspires me. Okay, so like I put it in a very simple thing, even in my company also. તમારે શું કરવું છે, that is one thing. Okay, that is basically the goal. So for example, તમે બધા કહેશો કે અત્યારે હું તમને સવાલ પૂછું તમારે શું કરવું છે, તો તમે કોઈ કહેશો કે મારે ચાર્ટર્ડ એકાઉન્ટન્ટ કરવું છે, મારે MBA કરવું છે, અથવા મારે એન્ટરપ્રેન્યોર બનવું છે, મારે આટલા પૈસા કમાવા છે. Okay, so that is your what. એ તમારું શું છે, what છે, what, WHAT. Then now question comes is basically how do you do that? Okay, તમે કેવી રીતના અચીવ કરશો? So તમે કહેશો કે લાઈક સમજો કોઈ કહે છે બહુ સારું સ્ટડી કરી આપણે 10 કલાક ટાઈમ મળે તો આપણે તો પણ ગમે તેમ એડજસ્ટ કરીને 15 કલાક વાંચશું, બરાબર? So that is the how. Okay, how you are going to achieve what you are going to target. Okay, so 99% of the people are clear about what and how. Okay, but they are not clear about why. And the most important thing, the why is the most important thing, but then we are not clear about why. Okay, even I also was not that much clear about why, but then I used to get some inspiration and I used to collect some information, I used to analyze it, and slowly I could be clear about that part. So my question would be, why do you want to do a chartered accountancy? Okay, you want to do chartered accountancy? Okay, fine. How do you want to do that? Okay, you have some clarity, maybe chalo 60% से clarity, 50% है ठीक, but why do you want to do chartered accountancy? કેમ કરવું છે તમારે સમજો, કોઈને પણ લાઈક સમજો કોઈ, if anybody wants to share their inspiration or share their dream, okay, so પાછળથી બી કોઈ last benchers are always preferable.
Yes.
Questions.
Start with why.
પહેલા એને પૂછે કે શું કરવું છે અને કેમ કરવું છે, કેવી રીતે ચાલશે ભાઈ? यस
Anyone?
यस कौन है અહીંયા છે
Last picture जाएगा
આપણે આપણે પેલા છેલ્લે જે ભાઈ છે એને સવાલ પૂછી ભાઈ
Manish. Manish भाई बोला दिखा
તારે શું કરવું છે ભાઈ હા જરા જોરથી બોલ ને ઓકે ઓકે સરસ કેવી રીતે કરવું છે તારા પપ્પા કરે છે બિઝનેસ પેલા તને થોડો ઘણો એમાંથી જોયું હશે ને કેવી રીતના કરે છે બિઝનેસ શેનો બિઝનેસ કરે છે તો થોડું તને આઈડિયા હશે નથી આઈડિયા થોડું ઘણું તો તારે બિઝનેસ કેમ કરવું છે હવે why do you want to do business કેમ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ છે so like see, this is not just specific to money, okay, this is specific to each and everyone મારા માટે પણ એ જ છે બધા માટે છે ઓકે so like say તમારા માટે પણ છે okay so unless and until you have a very strong why it should be why should be very strong okay એવું નહીં ચાલે કે ઓકે મને એક વખત મેં સવાલ પૂછ્યો કેમ કરવું છે બીજી વખત પૂછ્યું મેં ભાઈ કેમ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ છે તો કહેશે કે એમાં પૈસા વધારે મળે પૈસા એમાં કેમ વધારે મળે છે પૈસા તો બીજામાં પણ મળે છે ઓકે એમાં કેમ એન્જોયમેન્ટ મળે છે તો એ તો બીજામાં પણ મળી શકે મૂવી જોવામાં પણ નહીં મળી શકે મૂવી જોવામાં મળી શકે તો ઘણા બધા છે why you want to do this only okay so that why is very very important thing okay see for me what keeps me inspired all the time so like see the purpose is basically as I mentioned to you create a job opportunity okay create an entrepreneurship ecosystem okay so we want to build a team of 1000 people we have reached up to 100 at this moment 100 લોકોની ટીમ આપી થઈ છે હવે એને આપણે 1000 માં કરીએ so like there are so many good things associated with this purpose India is a country of young people okay and then there are so many job takers okay very less job givers okay very less people who are providing jobs okay there are so many people who are ready to take jobs and there are so many young people okay so lot of unemployment also not very open unemployment but then disguised unemployment okay the unemployment which cannot be seen the way તમારા ઇકોનોમિક્સ માં આવતું હશે ને અર્થશાસ્ત્રમાં આવે છે અર્થશાસ્ત્રમાં કે બે માણસનું કામ હોય એ ચાર માણસ કરતા હોય અથવા એનું કામ પાંચ માણસ કરતા હોય તો એમાં જે બેકારી હોય એ બેકારીને કઈ બેકારી કહેવાય હા બરાબર એ છુપી બેકારી disguised unemployment so there are so many such unemployment happening across India and so there is a purpose and the purpose is basically attached with the cause okay and then we are basically inspired by that purpose whatever things we want to do however we want to do okay this is the why we want to create job opportunities for 1000 people we want to build a team of 1000 people so there are so many good things associated with this okay and that keeps us inspired all the time okay अभी हम लोग जैसे मॉर्निंग में उठ के देखेंगे कि अभी ठीक है अभी तो हम 100 तक पहुंचे हैं 25 है हमारा टारगेट है और वहाँ तक पहुंचना है तो अभी इतना ये रेट से तो आपको ऐड करना ही पड़ेगा so there is lot of work to do okay and then you are not doing it for money okay and so that basically keeps you moving all the time when you are doing for money okay you will have some kind of satisfaction at some point of time जैसे समझो हमने 50 लाख 1 करोड़ 2 करोड़ 5 करोड़ 10 करोड़ कमा लिया तो अभी लगेगा कि अभी यहाँ पे रुक जाते हैं अभी क्या करेंगे इतना पैसा कमा के तो वहाँ पे आपका फिर मोटिवेशन स्टॉप हो गया वहाँ पे आपका मोटिवेशन स्टॉप हो गया so like lot of people are moving endlessly Why? Because there is a strong why in that. You have to identify your why. आप सभी लोगों को आपका why जो है ना, why वो आपको आइडेंटिफाई करो, और why जो है ना वो अच्छा पर्पस होना चाहिए. That's very important.
राइट स्टूडेंट्स मध्ये काही क्वेश्चन पूछवा છે ભાઈ?
બધાને બહુ ક્લિયર છે, નહીં તો કોઈને કંઈ સમજાવી નથી એવું છે.
યસ
Hello sir, myself Parth. So as you told, you were not financially sound at that time. So your plan A was becoming a CA. So everybody is having a plan B. So what was your plan B at that time? What would you have become if not CA?
So like see, I actually generally do not have plan B, plan C, plan D and plan Z. I have only plan A. Okay, so one more thing which actually like everybody of us should be doing that, actually should be following that. See, during this student life, what is important is being minimalistic. Okay, very important. मतलब अगर समझो उसको हम बहुत ही क्लोजली अगर हम ऑब्जर्व करते हैं ना, तो मैं आपको मतलब एश्योर कर सकता हूँ कि आपका लाइफ पूरा ट्रांसफॉर्म हो सकता है. मिनिमलिस्टिक कैसा होना चाहिए, मतलब ऐसा कि जैसे समझो खाने का डिश है, अगर उसमें आपको अगर 2 आइटम से ही काम चल जाता है ना, तो उसमें तीसरा आइटम भी मत डालो. ओके, इतना मिनिमलिस्टिक. ओके, रिमूव ऑल योर एक्स्ट्रा थिंग्स, सभी एक्स्ट्रा निकाल दो. बी मिनिमम, वेरी मिनिमम, बहुत ही मिनिमम कर दो इसको. जैसे समझो आप कहीं पे जाना है, आपको ट्रैवल करना है, तो अगर आप चल के जा सकते हैं ना, तो डोंट टेक बाइसिकल ऑल्सो. सो जो एक्स्ट्रा जो है ना वो प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करता है. ओके, लाइफ में वो दैट क्रिएट्स लॉट ऑफ इश्यू. बी मिनिमलिस्टिक, सबसे मतलब उसको मिनिमम से मिनिमम कर दो आप, इन टर्म्स ऑफ एवरीथिंग. द वे यू ड्रेस योरसेल्फ, द वे यू eat, the way you consume your money. Be a very low consumption person. अगर समझो आपको 50 रुपए का काम है, उसके बदले 5 रुपए से भी चल जाता है ना, तो वैसा करो. So like see, that creates lot of virtues in yourself. Okay, आप देखो हम लोग स्कूल में तो एकेडमिक्स तो ये सब तो सीखते ही हैं, ये सब virtues जो है ना वो आपके अंदर आते हैं. जब आप मिनिमम लेवल पे आ जाते हो ना, तब बी मिनिमलिस्टिक, वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. अगर वो स्टूडेंट अगर वो उसको एब्जॉर्ब कर लिया ना उसको, मतलब देन योर लाइफ कैन बी रियली अ गेम चेंजिंग एक्सपीरियंस. सो प्लान बी प्लान सी के सोचो मत, प्लान ए का ही सोचो. राइट, प्लान बी प्लान सी सोचोगे ना तो वो एक्स्ट्रा है. ओके, मिनिमलिस्टिक पे जाओ इन टर्म्स ऑफ एवरीथिंग.
राइट, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. यस बेटा.
Myself, Patel Bhatia. My question is Navsari a good option for becoming CA?
Now, sorry, come again.
Is Navsari a good option for becoming a CA?
बेटा,
सो आर यू आस्किंग कि नवसारीमध्ये सीए बनाय की नाही, કે સીએ નવસારીમાં પ્રેક્ટિસ કરી શકે કે નહીં?
એટલે નવસારી સારો ઓપ્શન છે CA કરવા.
સીએ બન્યા પછી કે સીએ કરવા માટે?
સર CA કરવા.
કરવા માટે.
let me, this is very important question, okay, and that is like relevant to all of you. Okay, see, like how do you consider a chartered accountancy certificate or degree? How much relevance it is for you?
સીએ નું સર્ટિફિકેટ કેટલું ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે એમ પૂછે છે સર. કેટલું ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે આપણા માટે? કોમર્સ એટલે સીએ.
કોઈ બી ચલો સીએ નું સર્ટિફિકેટ થી આને વિચાર ચલો એમબીએ કે તમે જે પણ તમારા માઇન્ડમાં જે પણ કોર્સ તમે ડિસાઈડ કરેલો હોય આગળ કરવાનો, બરાબર, એનું સર્ટિફિકેટ કેટલું ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે તમારા માટે?
સર્ટિફિકેટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ પૂછ્યો છે, સર્ટિફિકેટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ. લાજી સર કી કહેવું?
સર્ટિફિકેટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ મેરેજ કરવા માટે. છોકરો કેટલું ભણેલો છે તો પૂછે ને.
સીએ નું સર્ટિફિકેટ છે ને એ સૌથી પહેલા તમે ભૂલી જાઓ કે ધેટ ઇઝ નોટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ એટ ઓલ ઇન યોર લાઈફ. સીએ એમબીએ કે કોઈ પણ સર્ટિફિકેટ છે ને એની કોઈ જાતનું ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ નથી લાઈફ. મેં ચાર્ટર્ડ એકાઉન્ટન્ટ આઈ હેવ કમ્પ્લીટેડ માય ચાર્ટર્ડ એકાઉન્ટ બટ ધેટ ઇઝ નોટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ફોર મી એટ નાઉ. ઓકે આઈ હેવ મેં લાઈક સમજો 2000 રિલાયન્સમાં જોઈન કર્યું બરાબર. રિલાયન્સ પછી હું મારું પોતાની બધી પ્રેક્ટિસ કર્યું તો મેં એઝ અ ચાર્ટર્ડ એકાઉન્ટન્ટ મારી સિગ્નેચર ક્યાંય પ્લેસ નથી કરી હજી સુધીમાં. નોટ અ સિંગલ ટાઈમ એઝ અ ચાર્ટર્ડ એકાઉન્ટન્ટ આઈ હેવ પ્લેસ માય સિગ્નેચર એઝ અ ચાર્ટર્ડ. બધા મતલબ like lot of chartered accountants may be doing it. So I do not consider any degree or any certificate as so much of importance. Okay, the journey, the process, okay, of achieving that degree is very important. So because actually that creates a person, okay, that can have the potential of transforming you. Not the certificate. Okay. હવે સપોઝ કે હું મેં ફાઇનલી એક્ઝામ આપી દીધી છે અને મારું આવતીકાલે રિઝલ્ટ છે બરાબર છે. આજે હું ચાર્ટર્ડ એકાઉન્ટન્ટ છું નથી. આવતીકાલે રિઝલ્ટ પછી હું ચાર્ટર્ડ એકાઉન્ટન્ટ બની જઈશ. પાસ થઈ ગયો તો બની જઈશ બરાબર છે. તો એક નાઇટમાં મારા અંદર કે બદલી જવાનું છે, બદલી જવાનું છે. સેમ જ છે ને, હું જે પહેલા હતો એ જ છે ને બરાબર. તો ડિગ્રી ઇઝ નોટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ. The process of achieving that journey, that is very very important. And the most important thing and that process is what why you want to do that. Okay, that is very very important. But just to just like no, we should not carry this kind of misconception. Okay, perception should be build up nahi karવાનું દિમાગ. Right? So just to answer your question, so like see we have understood, okay, journey is important, process is important. Okay, the degree or the certificates are not important. Okay, I may not be a chartered accountant. Okay, that doesn't make me unsuccessful person at any time, any point of time. Okay, what makes me successful is what I am doing, okay, how I am doing that, and most importantly why I am doing that. Okay, that makes a person successful or unsuccessful. There are so many chartered accountants, even after achieving certificates, they are not doing anything great. Okay, they are just putting some signature and all. Okay, so do not correlate degree or certificates with successful or unsuccessful. That is first thing. The journey which you go through, that is the most important thing, and even more important than the journey is basically why you want to do that. And that why has to be very strong. Just to answer your question, so this journey, okay, if you want to have a different kind of journey, then go out of Navsari. Okay, leave Navsari. Because you have witnessed, okay, તમારે 12 ને 5 17 વર્ષ થઈ ગયા નવસારીમાં. તો 17 વર્ષ તો નવસારીમાં જોઈ લીધા. તો હવે કંઈક બીજું કંઈ જોવાનું ને. બરાબર, દુનિયા કેવડી મોટી છે ને બરાબર. તો એના એક પાછું ફરીથી જોવાનું કે સમજો કે સીએ કરવું છે બરાબર, તમે નવસારીમાં જ કરવાનું નહીં કરવાનું. So explore all these things, no? And then you basically that actually see તમે નવા માણસોને મળો, નવા લોકોને તમે કનેક્ટ થાઓ બરાબર, નવી કંપનીઓમાં તમે કનેક્ટ થાઓ, નવા ફ્રેન્ડ્સ બને તમારા, ઓકે, નવું તમારું નેટવર્ક બને. So that and like basically how you are going step by step. Okay, મેં તમને કીધું કે ભાઈ હું બોમ્બેમાં રાતના 2 વાગે લેન્ડ થયો. ઓકે, એ પણ આટલો વરસાદ ને આ તે ઓલ ટુગેધર ન્યૂ પ્લેસ. ઓકે, so that kind of experience I may never have in Navsari. Okay, નવસારીમાં મને કઈ એવો એક્સપિરિયન્સ કે because I am in a comfort zone. Okay, અહીંયા પપ્પા છે મમ્મી છે એવું કંઈક થાય તો એ લોકો તરત આવીને કરી લેશે. So I will never take my decision on my own. Okay, I may become an irresponsible person. હું બોમ્બેમાં ગયો તો મારે વિચારવું પડ્યું કે ભાઈ હવે મારા પૈસા મારા આટલો ખર્ચો થાય છે બરાબર, તો પપ્પાને હું કહીશ તો એને તો પૈસા બીજા પાસેથી લઈને આપવા પડશે. મારા ફાઇનાન્સ મારું કેવી રીતના કરવાનું, મારે પૈસા મારે કમાવાના ક્યાંથી કમાવાના? મેં એના પર વિચાર્યું, કમાવાનું સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યું. ઓકે, not everything is like good about the story and all. Okay, there are some bad things also. Like હવે આમાં સ્ટોક માર્કેટ કેટલાને ખબર છે, શેર માર્કેટ બધાને ખબર છે. So I incurred sizable loss in stock market at that point of time.
Easy money chasing.
So like see, people have a lot of confidence in me. Okay, तो मैं भाई एक मेरा फ्रेंड ने कीधु के भाई काम कर तू मने 2 लाख रुपया આપી દે. That point of time was a huge money. તો હું તારા પૈસા દે ને 2 લાખ માં આપી દે, હું તને છે ને 10 ગણા કરી દઉં. અરે 10 ગણા થઈ જાય તો એમાંથી છે ને હું 5 ગણા હું રાખી લઈશ અને બાકીના તને આપી દઈશ. એના લોકોને કોન્ફિડન્સ કે ઠીક છે આ કહે છે તો કંઈક ને કંઈક તો કરશે. But then I end up losing 1 lakh in that. એટલે પછી 1 લાખ પાછા આપી દીધા. બેમાંથી એક કરી દીધું. So yeah, so see, like I learned to manage my finances on my own. I learned to manage like how I am going to manage my brother's finances also. His needs also is there. Okay, so he was living with me. So કેવી રીતના મેનેજ કરવાનું, મારો પોતાનો ખર્ચો, મારો પોતાનો ફાઇનાન્સ. So moving out of your comfort zone is very very important. Okay, you should go to newer places, you should go to meet new people, get out of your comfort zone. Okay, and that's what actually is going to define you as a person. And the journey is very important than a degree, than a certificate.
Right, so answer to your question sir is very clear. Do your CA જ્યાં તમે કમ્ફર્ટ ઝોન ની બહાર હો ત્યાં. બોમ્બેમાં પપ્પાનું બીજું ઘર છે જ તો ત્યાંથી કરવું જરૂરી નથી.
જરૂરી નથી. Yes.
Right, sir.
Sir, what are the challenges prior to CA and post to CA?
See, like challenges in CA is basically like you have to have the laser sharp focus. Okay, so that is very important. Let me ask some questions to these people. Okay, Netflix છે ને એ બધાને કેટલાને ખબર છે? ઓકે, ફેસબુક કેટલાને ખબર છે? હમણાં છેલ્લે સમજો એક આપણે પૂછે કે આર્યન ખાનને હમણાં છેલ્લે જેલમાં કેના કારણે નાખેલો? See, like we have each and every option open to distraction. Correct? આ બધા distraction છે. Okay, these are all distraction and we have very, see nowadays the problem is like we have an easy access to all these distractions. બધા easy છે, એકદમ easy છે, ફટાકથી access થઈ જાય. તો distraction છે, Facebook and all social media, these are all distraction. So the challenge is basically to create a focus, laser sharp focus. Okay, you don't see anything else. And see that actually that could give me a strength to say, otherwise like એક દિવસમાં સમજો 300-400 પેજીસ કેવી રીતના વાંચી લેવાનું, બરાબર? ડિસ્ટ્રેક્શન હોય બરાબર, જેટલું ડિસ્ટ્રેક્શન એટલું તમારું દિમાગમાં બીજું એક્સ્ટ્રા મટીરિયલ ઘણું બધું છે. So challenge is basically to create that laser sharp focus. અગર એ તમે એ ફોકસ તમે ક્રિએટ કરી લીધું તો ચેલેન્જ નથી, બીજું કોઈ નથી. તો લાઈક સે there are examples જે લોકોના 12th માં કે એમાં 50% 60% આવ્યા હોય તો પણ એ લોકો CA ફર્સ્ટ એટેમ્પ્ટ ન કરી શકે. And I have seen those people. અચ્છા, એક તમને એક્ઝામ્પલ આપું આ ફોકસ માટે. There was a person in our hostel. we used to live in a hostel in Mumbai, Old. There was actually one house of a Maharaja which actually has given for a hostel. So, वो जूनू घर से तो ये घर ने हॉस्टल में कन्वर्ट कर दिया 40-50 લોકો એટલા એમાં રહી શકે. તો એક સીએ ની ફાઇનલ એક્ઝામમાં અમે લોકો એ વખતે ઇન્ટરમાં હતા તો એ ફાઇનલ એક્ઝામ માટે અપીયર કરતા હતા. હવે કેવું છે કે મતલબ આવતીકાલે પેપર છે અને લોટ ઓફ થિંગ્સ ટુ રીડ. એ ભાઈને છે ને ઊંઘ આવતી હતી. એ ભાઈ શું કીધું કે ત્યાં મને એક ગેસ્ટો આપેલો એને જઈને સાણસી ગરમ કરી પકડવામાં સાણસીને પકડી ગરમ સાણસી હવે આખો દિવસ તો એ હાથ જળવાનો છે આખી રાત તો એના કારણે સૂઈ નહીં થઈ એના માટે જ સૂઈ નહીં થઈ તો એને પછી આખું બધું જે વાંચવાનું બાકી રહી ગયું એ બધું વાંચી લીધું વાંચી લીધું અને એક્ઝામ એને ફર્સ્ટ એટેમ્પમાં પાસ કરી.
So, moral of the story, સાંસી ગરમ કરીને પકડવાની. અઠવાડિયામાં 2 twice a week, રવિવારે અને બુધવારે. So then day after that your exam are there.
Like see, even for all these things, okay. હું તમને સવાલ પૂછું કે like Netflix has made you any more smarter? Okay, Facebook has made you any more smarter? Nothing is going to do that, okay? See,
That depends on how you define smarter. Smartest.
maybe like see, even like I will say the smart mobiles, okay? Earlier the mobiles were not smart, okay? So now mobile has become smarter, but then they are not making any more smarter humans. Okay. Smarter mobiles are not making humans smarter. So like, see, as he rightly said, there are choices, okay. But then, how wisely you exercise your choice, that is going to build you. Before, like, for CA, this is the only challenge I see, okay, in this generation. Yeah, distractions are so many and very easy access to distraction, okay, very easy access to distraction. So, like, if you can create this, if you can keep aside these distractions, okay, and then you be minimalistic, minimum level पर आई जाओ, okay, in terms of everything. तो मतलब તમારું ફોકસ છે ને એ વધી જશે. ફોકસ વધી જશે તો then like there is no challenge in CA. The post CA. So like see, challenges are always going to be there, okay. If the challenges are exhausted, then you are basically dead. CA કરી લો તો ચેલેન્જ ખતમ થઈ જાય એવું નથી, બરાબર છે. બીજું કોઈ પણ લાઈક MBA કરી લો તો ચેલેન્જ ખતમ, એન્જિનિયર થઈ જાવ તો ચેલેન્જ ખતમ થઈ જાય એવું નથી. મુકેશ અંબાણીને પણ ચેલેન્જીસ છે બધા. અત્યારે ચેલેન્જ છે કે એને ભાઈ જૂના બધા બિઝનેસ મોડલમાં, જૂના જે બધા બિઝનેસ છે એમાંથી નવા બિઝનેસમાં ટ્રાન્સફોર્મ થયું છે, ઓકે. અનિલ અંબાણી છે એ બંને સાથે હતા ને, મુકેશ અંબાણી અનિલ અંબાણી એક સેમ પ્લેટફોર્મ પર હતા. ત્યારે એના પપ્પાએ બંનેની વચ્ચે ડિવિઝન કરી. અનિલ અંબાણી સમજો કે કમ્ફર્ટ ઝોનમાં આવી ગયા અને ચેલેન્જીસ એને ખબર કે આમાં કંઈ ચેલેન્જ નથી એવું દેખાય, એ બધા નીચે જતા રહે. Challenges are going to be constantly there, and that's what actually makes you alive as a human. That's very very important. Like you should be facing the challenges constantly, and okay, challenge should not be the same one. Okay, like જે challenge તમે વર્ષ પહેલા ફેસ કરતા હતા, જે 2 વર્ષ પહેલા ફેસ કરતા હતા ને એ હવે આજે નહીં હોવું જોઈએ. You should be facing a different challenge, and then you are basically growing. જે તમે સમજો કે like 10th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ કે 5th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડમાં ચેલેન્જ તમારે શું હતું કે ભાઈ તમારે 5th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડમાં ચેલેન્જ એવું હોય કે ભાઈ સ્કૂલે કેવી રીતના પહોંચવું, ઓકે. પણ હવે આજે પણ 12thમાં પણ એવું હોય કે સ્કૂલે કેવી રીતના પહોંચવું, એ ચેલેન્જ હોય તો you have not grown up.
મનીષભાઈ જોબ અને એન્ટરપ્રિન્યોરશિપ એના પર કંઈ
So like I like both the things. I like to actually I am very much passionate in creating entrepreneurs. So I'm more focused on that, and I like doing that. Okay, and that makes me more happier. That is the purpose actually. Why I am in this particular field. So not like nothing wrong in adopting a job also. It depends on like what is basically your instinct. તમારો પોતાનો નેચર કેવો છે, તમારો ફેમિલી બેકગ્રાઉન્ડ શું છે. શરૂઆતમાં લાઈક મેં પણ સમજો 2006માં સીએ બતાવ્યું તો મેં રિલાયન્સમાં કામ કર્યું. ઓકે સો I was getting good salary and all the comfort. Okay, રિલાયન્સનું જામનગર ટાઉનશીપ છે, that is a world class place to live. કોઈ કંઈ નથી, મોલ છે અંદર, થિયેટર છે, ગાર્ડન્સ છે, લસ ગ્રીન, જીમ છે, આ છે, હોટેલ્સ છે, જે બધું જ છે. That was a kind of comfort. Okay, then I left Reliance. I joined some company in Nagpur, Sunflake, and then I left Sunflake. I joined Suzlon in Pune. So yeah, the last salary which I was drawing was 1.5 lakh per month in 2012. Yeah, so then, but then again, like it was a very much comfortable area. Okay, you are doing what you are knowing, and what you are knowing only you are doing that. Okay, that was the circle. So I used to come out of that circle. Okay, and then I want to chase a very larger purpose in my life. So I left a highly paying job. જેમાં 1.5 લાખનો પગાર હતો, એ પણ છોડી દીધું મેં અને ફરીથી 2013માં ઝીરોથી સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યું. Okay, so like so 2013માં ઝીરોથી સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યું. Then I could achieve something new. Okay, which is very very connected with the purpose. So job and basically entrepreneurship, that basically depends on the way people take their life, the way they think, the purpose they would like to achieve. But the why, WHY, okay, that should be there in your mind constantly. Okay, so I was not able to find my why at my job. Why I am doing this job. Okay. So that was missing. I do not have any answer. And that actually forced me to come out of the job. So my question would be like, why you all are doing the commerce? Why you all are doing commerce?
You have to ask yourself why I am studying commerce. ઘરે જઈને નથી.
Exactly.
Fine. Any other questions? So like કીધું કે why તમારે શોધવો પડશે. બીજા કોઈ questions હોય તો મેડમ તમારે કંઈ girls, boys, anything you want to ask?
You should ask questions. The questions could be the silliest one. Okay. મને પણ serious question પૂછતા હતા professor ને તમને કીધું and I am able to jolly. Okay, તમને મેં એટલું comfort આપી દીધું છે તો મતલબ you should ask questions. Very very important. See, as a student, what you should be having. Learning is a continuous experience. Okay, you should be learning is very very important. Like, okay, how I learn. Okay, I learn from people. I travel alone. I used to travel 20 days in a month, and for months together I used to meet lot of new people. Okay, so I learn from them. I read books, I take some courses to learn new things. But what is more important is like as a student, open to new things, open to learning, okay, open to change. That is very very important thing to achieve. Very very important quality in the student's life. Okay, so you should be asking maximum question because you should be open to learn new things. So you should be open to accept the new things, adapt. And after some point of time, 45-50 ક્રોસ કરી નાખો બરાબર પછી એમ કહે કે તમારા પેરેન્ટ્સને કહેશો કે તમારા પેરેન્ટ્સ બધા કંઈ ને કંઈ કરતા હશે બરાબર કોઈના પેરેન્ટ્સ તમને કીધું કે શોરૂમ છે બરાબર તમે એને કહેશો કે ભાઈ તમે શોરૂમ બંધ કરી દો અને જોબ કરવાનું સ્ટાર્ટ કરી દો ટીચર બની જાઓ તો એ કરી શકશે because the change see, at some point of time you are going to be like that, okay, but at this moment you should be able to adapt, you should be able to change yourself. That should not be so hard, okay, open to learn new things. That's very, very important.
So I'll ask question on their behalf. પોતાની weakness કઈ રીતે ઓળખવી? Because then પછી અંદર ઈગો આવી જાય acceptance નથી આવતું.
Right. So that's very important. Like when you are open to change, it is very, very important. So you should be a very good listener. The most important quality again for a student. If you are not a good listener, probably you will end up losing so many things in your life. So, if you are a good listener, you can identify your weakness. Okay. So, and basically, like your teachers, your guides, your mentors can help you in terms of the identifying the weakness also. But see, you also can do that, okay, with the self introspection. What actually we do, we never think from that perspective. Okay, like what are my weakness? Okay, I should be knowing that, very very important. But then we never think from that angle. We never think from that perspective. So every one of us basically wish to achieve some dream, realize some dream. So like we should basically work out a journey for that. So આ મારું ડ્રીમ છે બરાબર છે આને અચીવ કરવા માટે મારે શું જર્ની ક્રોસ કરવાની છે આ મારી જર્ની છે ઓકે આ જર્ની મારા માટે હવે એમાં what are my strengths આ જર્ની હું મારી કેપેબિલિટી શું છે આ જર્ની માટે ઓકે so like say for example my weakness was the economic hardship was my weakness. Okay, I have identified that weakness. કેવી રીતના મને ખબર પડી કે આ મારી વીકનેસ છે તો જ્યારે આપણે જોઈએ કે ભાઈ ઓકે કંઈક ચલો કંઈક સારી વસ્તુ લેવી છે કે આ કરવું છે કે then we couldn't afford that. So that was the we have identified. Okay, then what we have done? We have started working on that weakness. કેવી રીતના કામ કરવાનું તો એના પર ઓકે ચલો તમે સ્ટડી કરો છો તો એની સાથે થોડું એક્સ્ટ્રા કામ કરી લો એક્સ્ટ્રા કામ ઘણા બધા હોઈ શકે તો એ બધા તમે એક્સ્ટ્રા કામ કરો એના પર તમે જ્યારે કામ કરવા માંડો તમારી weakness છે you will be able to eliminate those weaknesses. So like the biggest weakness one finds very difficult to eliminate is the mindset related weakness. Okay, mental blocks, okay, which we have created over a period of time. So that is the biggest weakness, and I as a student I think you all will not be having that kind of weakness because you are at such a stage, okay, where you can learn new things, you can change yourself. The mindset blocks, okay, you are not having that kind of mindset block. And if you have anybody of you have any kind of mindset block, okay, I said, okay, I was living in a 15 by 15 square feet room. Okay, so, but then that is not the that couldn't hold me back. Okay, that is not going to hold me back. So if somebody has that kind of mindset, okay, that kind of weakness, it shouldn't hold them back. Okay, the things which holds you back is your mindset. તમારા તમારા જે માઇન્ડની જે લિમિટેશન છે ને એ તમને હોલ્ડ બેક કરે છે. એન્ડ ધેટ ઇઝ ધ લાઈક સો તમારામાંથી પણ એવું હોવું ના જોઈએ કોઈના માઇન્ડસેટમાં એવી રીતના કંઈ limitation नहीं होगी. But then if somebody has that kind of thought process, I say maybe like કોઈને એવી વીકનેસ હોઈ શકે કે વાંચવા બેસે તો શું છે કે એનું ધ્યાન જ ના જાય. બરાબર છે, કોઈને એવી વીકનેસ હોઈ શકે. Like that there could be so many things. હવે એને થાય કે ભાઈ પેલો ભાઈ શું કરે છે કે આ શું કરે છે કે એના પર ધ્યાન જાય. So like કેવી રીતના એ કમ્પેરિઝન કરવાનું તો જોવાનું કે ભાઈ તમારું વોટ વેર યુ ડુઈંગ યસ્ટરડે, વોટ યુ આર ડુઈંગ ટુડે. તમે સમજો ગઈકાલે 10 પેજ વાંચ્યા, એ 10 પેજના બદલે આજે તમે 15 પેજ વાંચ્યા છે, આજે 20 પેજીસ વાંચ્યા છે. યુ આર વેધર યુ આર ઇમ્પ્રુવિંગ. તમે આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ કરી લીધી કે ઓકે તમારાથી કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન નથી થતું એક વસ્તુ પર, બરાબર છે, સ્ટડી માટે બેસી નથી શકતા, આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ કરી લીધું તો ધેન લાઈક યુ સ્ટાર્ટ ઇમ્પ્રુવિંગ ઓન ધીસ થિંગ્સ. બેન્ચમાર્ક કરો. સી લાઈક તમે જે કાલે હતા અને તમે જે એનાથી થોડા દિવસ પહેલા હતા, તમે જો આજે એક છો તો તમે તમારી વીકનેસ આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ નથી કરી. there could be so many such weaknesses, okay, જે તમારા કન્ટિન્યુઅસ તમારા ડે ટુ ડે બિહેવિયરમાંથી તમે એમાં પિક કરો કે આ મારી વીકનેસ છે. તમે સેલ્ફ ઇન્ટ્રોસ્પેક્શન કરો, બરાબર છે. તમે જુઓ તમારી જાતની અંદર જઈને જુઓ કે મારે શું ચેન્જ કરવાની જરૂર છે. તમે તમારા ગુરુ પાસેથી જુઓ, એમની પાસેથી તમે સલાહ લો, તમારા જે ટીચર્સ કહે છે એને તમે ધ્યાનથી સાંભળો. યુ બી અ વેરી ગુડ લિસનર. ઓકે, કેમ કે તમે ઘરે ટાઈમ સ્પેન્ડ કરો છો. Your parents and your family will look at you from a different perspective. They will not look at you from that perspective કે ભાઈ ઠીક છે ભાઈ એને તો એનો દીકરો છે કે એની દીકરી છે, ઓકે, તો એ એંગલથી ક્યારે પણ નહીં જોઈએ કે આનો પ્રોબ્લેમ છે કે આની વીકનેસ છે. બટ આસ્ક યોર ટીચર્સ, ઓકે, યુ સ્પેન્ડ half of your life at home, half of your life at school. So ટીચરનો એક જ પર્પઝ છે તમારા કે એમને નેક્સ્ટ લેવલ પર કેવી રીતના લઈને જવા. એમને તમે પૂછો, they will be able to help you in identifying the weakness in a more specific way.
Right, anyone બીજા પ્રશ્નો?
મતલબ like depending on it, I don't
Right,
get
depending
my
on
first
you,
up,
already we
available.
have crossed the time limit, but તમારા હજી કંઈક ક્વેરી હોય, કંઈક મનમાં ચાલતું હોય, ગણમતલ પૂછવાની ઈચ્છા થતી નથી અત્યારે, ડોન્ટ ફીલ લાઈક ધેટ, યુ કેન વેરી ફ્રેન્કલી આસ્ક. ઇન ફેક્ટ આઈ એમ ગોઈંગ ટુ ટેક સમ પ્રોમિસીસ ફ્રોમ ધ સર. મારી ઓફિસમાં લઈશ એટલે સરે કંપનીની વાત કરી આપણને સ્કિલ બેઝ. I am not interested in that and let's see how sir can help us. But અત્યારે નથી પૂછતો. Right?
Right.
So please પૂછો ને બેટા. Anything you have. Like how do you learn? Why do you read books? Book વાંચવાની ગમતી નથી તો કેવી રીતે વાંચીએ? Right? Important thing.
Some people are laughing loudly, okay, they may be having some connection.
they all have connection.
So like see, for you people at this particular age, study is very, very important. Okay, keep aside all these distractions. So like how to do that? Okay, how to keep aside this distraction? That is the biggest problem. Okay, like not only you people, but then we people are also facing the same situation. Okay, how to keep aside this distraction? So probably what you can do, you can say 30 minutes slot એક કરજો 30 મિનિટ્સ નો સ્લોટ છે બરાબર છે મોબાઈલ છે આમ સાઈડ પર રાખી દો 30 મિનિટ્સ નો સ્લોટ છે અને આ 30 મિનિટ્સમાં મોબાઈલને ટચ નહીં કરવાનો બરાબર છે કંઈ પણ બીજું ડિસ્ટ્રેક્શન તમારા ડિસ્ટ્રેક્શન આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ કરજો બરાબર છે એટલે સાઈડ એને મોબાઈલ ઇઝ એન એક્ઝામ્પલ ઓકે ખાલી મોબાઈલ એક જ ડિસ્ટ્રેક્શન છે એવું નથી એને આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ કરજો એને બધું એ જે ડિસ્ટ્રેક્શન હોય ને એને 30 મિનિટ સાઈડ પર રાખો બરાબર 30 મિનિટ્સ કમ્પ્લીટ થાય ને પછી સપોઝ કે તમારે શું કરવાનું 10 મિનિટનો બ્રેક લેવાનો 30 મિનિટ્સ પછી 10 મિનિટનો બ્રેક પછી બધું જોઈ લેવાનું ફેસબુક ઇન્સ્ટાગ્રામ આડા બધું જોઈ લેવાનું જેટલું ભરી લેવાનું બરાબર છે પાછું 10 મિનિટ પછી પાછું મૂકી દેવાનું સાઈડ બરાબર પાછું 30 મિનિટ્સનો સ્લોટ પછી વળી પાછું 30 મિનિટ્સ પતે ને પાછું જોઈ લેવાનું જેટલું જોવું હોય
પેલી બે ઊંધી નહીં કરતા ને 10 ને 30
that also can serve the purpose okay because at least for 10 minutes you are able to concentrate તમે સપોઝ કે રિવર્સ પણ કરતા હશો that is okay no problem at some point of time that 10 minute will become 30 minutes and that distraction 10 minute distraction will become 1 minute distraction and at some point of time you will be able to eliminate that distraction at all તમારી લાઈફમાં જે ડિસ્ટ્રેક્શન છે ને એ તમારી લાઈફમાં તમારો કંટ્રોલ આવી જશે આ તમે એક મેથડ એપ્લાય કરો ઓકે 30 મિનિટ્સનું ફોકસ કરવાનું ઓકે ફૂલ કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન કરી લેવાનું પછી 10 મિનિટ્સ તો મળવાની છે તમને બરાબર જે કરવું છે એના માટે પાછી ડિસ્ટ્રેક્શન માટે 10 મિનિટ ફૂલ યુઝ કરી લો 10 મિનિટ પાછું આવી જાય 30 મિનિટ્સ આમ પાછું 10 મિનિટ્સ પછી તમને એવું થશે કે અરે યાર આ છોડી દો યાર 10 મિનિટ છોડી દો બંધ થઈ જશે પછી ત્યારે મને એવું થશે કે ચલો આખો દિવસ થયો નથી ઓકે રાતના કે દિવસના કરી
એક ક્વેશ્ચન અંજલિ મેડમ તમને પૂછીશું સિન્સ યુ આર વર્કિંગ વિથ એચઆર પીપલ તમે કઈ ક્વોલિટીઝ અથવા કયા સ્કિલ જુઓ છો આઈ મીન વેન યુ રિક્રુટ પીપલ તો કઈ સ્કિલ તમે 3-4 સ્કિલ અમારા જો સ્ટુડન્ટને ડેવલપ કરવી હોય તો કઈ સ્કિલ હોઈ શકે કમ્યુનિકેશન સ્કિલ ટીમ વર્ક છે એનાલિસિસ છે તમે શું જુઓ
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जब इंटरव्यू चलता है तो सबसे पहले वही देखता है कि उसका भाई क्या है समझो वो सीए फॉर्म में आया है इंटरव्यू देने के लिए तो पहले मुझे आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि उसको कंपनी में जाना है उसको कौन से लोकेशन पे काम करना है अभी वो सोच रहा है कि जॉब करना है फिर 1 ईयर के बाद उसका माइंड सेट चेंज होता है कि कुछ बिजनेस करना है मुझे जो रिक्रूटमेंट करना है तो सबसे पहले उसका भाई क्या है वो हम क्लियरली आइडेंटिफाई फिर सेकेंडली उसका जो पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस है यानी उसकी जो जर्नी है सर ने जैसे बताया ना कि वो सीए कंप्लीट है इंटर सीए है वो इतना मैटर नहीं करता है लेकिन जब आर्टिकलशिप जब किया है तो उसका जो एक्सपीरियंस है उसने डमी तो नहीं किया है 3 ईयर से आजकल तो सब लोग वैसा ही करते हैं कोई पहचान वाला सीए रहता है उसके पास साइन ले लेते हैं तो जब वो इंटरव्यू में आता है तो पता चलता है कि सीए कर लिया है लेकिन इतना नॉलेज नहीं है तो ये सेकंड थिंग हम लोग करते हैं थर्ड जो है उसका एटीट्यूड कैसा यानी उसका लर्निंग पावर अच्छा है तो कंपनी में आके भी वो सीख सकता है कुछ मिसिंग है लेकिन माइंड में जो ब्लॉक है ना तो वो कभी भी कुछ नहीं सीख सकता तो ऐसे प्रोसेस
In terms of importance, the order is reverse. We have ASK criteria for selection. A is for attitude, and S is for skill, and K is for knowledge. We select the people with the intact attitude. Attitude जो है ना वो उसका एकदम फुल इंटैक्ट होना चाहिए, सॉलिड, उसमें कहीं पे कोई डेंट नहीं होना चाहिए एटीट्यूड में. स्किल में थोड़ा बहुत चलेगा, ठीक है, उसको कुछ नहीं आता है तो ठीक है भाई, ठीक है चलेगा. नॉलेज में भी चलेगा, नॉलेज बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है ना उसके पास, जीरो है नॉलेज, ठीक है चलेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि नॉलेज और स्किल जो है ना वो ऐसी चीज़ है कि उसको हम चेंज कर सकते हैं. एटीट्यूड को चेंज करना इज नॉट पॉसिबल. So we hire people for attitude, and then we impart skill and knowledge. If these things are missing, not missing, fine. But then hiring, the most important criteria is attitude, then skill, then knowledge. So like अगर समझो आपમાંથી તમારામાંથી કોઈના 50% જ આવ્યા હોય અને કોઈના 90% પણ આવ્યા હોય તો એ 90% વાળાનો એટીટ્યુડ સારો નહીં હોય ને બરાબર તો એને હાયરિંગ નહીં કરે. 50% વાળાનો એટીટ્યુડ સારો હોય તો અમે એને હાયર.
So by attitude you mean work ethics, integrity, self-discipline,
Yes.
ability to learn,
Yes.
commitment, fulfill, right? And fueled by attitude
Yes.
means that.
Yes.
Open-mindedness.
Open-mindedness. These are all the virtues, okay? So attitude is more related to the virtues, your virtues. Like whether can you speak truth fearlessly. If you can do that, that's a good attitude. You have that kind of courage to speak truth in front of say 100 people. Okay. That is. So there are so many virtues. Okay. So the importance is basically like attitude, then skill, and that is the sequence of.
And any other questions, beta? Fine. So we present both of things, right? So we present last.
So like study is very important for you, but then do not miss on sports. Okay, that is very important thing. Sports. Okay. Study is important, but then sports is also very important. And at some point of time, like you should basically focus on. See, like commerce is lot of practical. Okay, it's connected with the practical world. Okay, and you are very fortunate people to get into this. So, like, but then how do you leverage on that? उसका फायदा कैसे उठाएंगे? उसका फायदा ऐसे उठाना चाहिए कि आपको कहीं ना कहीं कोई कहीं पे भी कुछ ऐसा स्टार्टअप करना चाहिए. Okay, स्टार्टअप करना चाहिए. कुछ छोटा स्टार्टअप. Not to earn money, not to make it very big, not necessary. Okay, you don't make it big. You don't aim for that. कुछ आपका स्टार्टअप शुरू करो, छोटा बिजनेस. कॉमर्स में आया है ना, तो वो बहुत जरूरी है वो. स्टार्टअप शुरू करो, कुछ भी चलेगा. ओके, आपने छोटा सा भी स्टार्टअप शुरू कर दिया ना, समझो वेजिटेबल कहीं से सोर्स करके उसको मार्केट में सेल करने. अगर आपने ये 12th पे या 11th पे या 12th के बाद में कॉलेज में ग्रेजुएट में अगर आपने एक छोटा सा स्टार्टअप जो है ना वो शुरू करना चाहिए. कॉमर्स में है ना, तो दैट इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग टू डू. मैं आपको गारंटी देता हूँ कि मतलब दैट विल बी अ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल एक्सपीरियंस फॉर यू गाइस. उससे मतलब जो आपका ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होगा ना, मतलब वो ट्रिमेंडस होगा. उसके मतलब ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें जो मैं एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकता हूँ, बट देन उसके मतलब ट्रिमेंडस बेनिफिट्स है उसके. स्टार्टअप करो आपका. अभी कर सकते हैं, बहुत ही अच्छी बात है. अभी नहीं कर सकते तो कॉलेज के टाइम, बट करो, जरूर करो. चाहे वो मतलब ऐसा मत सोचो कि पैसा कमाना है वहां से. ऐसा मत सोचो कि उसको बहुत बड़ा बनाना है, बट ऐसा सोचो कि कुछ क्रिएट करना है. वो हिसाब से सोचो. स्टार्टअप करो, कुछ भी स्टार्टअप करो. अभी लास्ट में जो बताया बंदे ने कि उसका फादर का शोरूम है. ओके, तो ऐसा कुछ जैसे हम उसके फादर कुछ बाय करके सेल करते हैं, तो आप भी करो कुछ ऐसा. बाय करके सेल करो, कुछ स्टार्टअप करो, कुछ भी स्टार्टअप करो. कुछ बनाओ, कुछ वेबसाइट बनाओ, बराबर. कोई भी स्टार्टअप चलेगा, लेकिन वो करो. बिफोर यू आर आउट ऑफ योर ग्रेजुएट, ओके, यू मस्ट हैव वन स्टार्टअप. वो आप सभी लोगों को मतलब एक जो है ना वो प्रॉमिस करना है एक बार.
Right. So
और अगर आपने स्टार्टअप नहीं कर रहे हैं ना, तो आप एटलीस्ट आपको इंटर्नशिप करना चाहिए. बट मैं वो भी एडवाइस नहीं करता हूँ आपको. स्टार्टअप करो, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है. और इंडिया इज एन हैपनिंग प्लेस राइट नाउ. ओके, इन द एंटायर वर्ल्ड द highest economic growth or the highest spiritual growth is going to come in India. So you are very lucky to be born in India. Okay, and then now the going upcoming time is for India. Okay, and you people are going to be part of that new India. new journey of India. So you are going to get lot of opportunities, tremendous opportunities. You are going to get trust with so many opportunities. तो उसको leverage करना है ना, तो आपको ये बहुत जरूरी है. Study, sports and startup. तीन चीजें जो है ना, 3S दिमाग में रखो. Study, sports and startup. तीनों इम्पोर्टेंट है. उसमें से कहीं पे भी एक जगह पे भी छूटना नहीं चाहिए. ध्यान में रखो.
About startup, we have read, working on it. Create more than you consume. So some of them have good ideas, but still reluctant. Hope our interaction society they will open up.
Very important. Before you are out of your college, you must have one startup. Successful, failure, growth or not growth, doesn't matter at all.
Today's session with CA Manish Galgatra sir was really fantastic. I am sure all my friends will agree with me on this. During this interaction of an hour or so, we learned so many things. Hopefully, many of us will look up to you, sir, as our idol. On behalf of all of us at AB family, I thank you, Manish sir, for providing such valuable insights on so many subjects. I thank all faculty members and students for the commerce section for being so attentive and being active listeners. I thank my school for arranging this session and hosting such a wonderful personality to interact with. I am confident that the same will be continued in future as well. Thank you and have a good day.